At 64, Linda looked in the mirror and barely recognized herself. Her skin was dry like paper. Dark spots covered her hands. The wrinkles seemed deeper every morning. Then her grandmother's old beauty secret changed everything. Just 2 drops of castor oil used the right way. Within 3 weeks, her skin looked smoother, calmer, and better hydrated. Here is what the beauty industry does not want you to know. You do not need expensive creams with 20 ingredients you cannot pronounce. Castor oil has been making women beautiful for thousands of years, but most people use it completely wrong. Let me show you exactly how 2 drops can help with 12 skin problems that happen after 60. The secret is not just the oil, it is how you use it. Problem number 1. Dry, flaky skin. Linda's skin was so dry it hurt. The lotion helped for an hour, then the dryness came back worse. Her legs looked like snakeskin. Her arms had white flakes that showed on dark clothes. She was embarrassed to wear short sleeves. Then she learned the 2-drop method from her grandmother's diary. Castor oil is different from regular moisturizers. It creates a protective barrier that locks moisture in for hours. The special fatty acids go deep into your skin, not just on top. Here is the right way. After your shower, while your skin is still damp, mix 2 drops of castor oil with a teaspoon of your regular lotion. The dampness helps it spread. The lotion makes it lighter. Rub this mixture on dry areas. Focus on legs, arms, and elbows. The temperature of your shower matters more than you think. Very hot water strips natural oils from your skin, making dryness worse. Use warm water instead, just comfortable enough. Pat your skin dry gently, leaving it slightly damp. This dampness is crucial. It helps the castor oil mixture penetrate better and locks in that moisture. Think of your damp skin like a sponge, ready to absorb the oil deeply. Linda saw changes the first night. Her skin felt soft until morning. No more itching at bedtime. After 1 week, the flaky patches were gone. Her husband noticed and asked what she was doing differently. The mistake most women make is using too much. More is not better with castor oil. It is thick and heavy. 2 drops mixed with lotion is perfect. Too much feels greasy and takes forever to absorb. Another common error is applying to completely dry skin. This makes the oil sit on top instead of absorbing. Always apply to damp skin within 3 minutes of showering for best results. Problem number 2. Age spots. Those brown spots on your hands and face are not just from age. They are from years of sun damage that suddenly shows up after 60. Most creams that promise to fade them cost $50 or more. But castor oil can be a low-cost option that many find helpful over time. The fatty acids in castor oil may support gentle turnover and a more even-looking tone. It also helps your skin cells renew faster. New, fresh skin replaces the spotted skin gradually. For age spots, use the oil differently. Put 1 drop on a cotton swab. Dab it directly on each spot before bed. Do not rub all over. Just target the spots. Cover with a small bandage if possible. This keeps the oil on the spot all night. The type of cotton swab matters. Use the ones with tightly wound cotton that will not leave fibers on your skin. Some women prefer using a clean fingertip instead, washing hands thoroughly first. If you have many spots, work on just 3 or 4 at a time. This makes it easier to track which ones are improving and ensures each spot gets proper attention. You will not see changes immediately. Spots fade slowly over 4 to 6 weeks. Take a photo now so you can compare later. Many women are surprised when they see the difference in photos. Never use castor oil on spots that change shape or color quickly. Those need a doctor's attention. Only use it on spots that have looked the same for years. Problem number 3. Wrinkles and fine lines. Martha, 71, had deep lines around her mouth that made her look angry even when she was happy. The crow's feet around her eyes were getting deeper. She tried every anti-aging cream at the drugstore. Nothing worked until she discovered this technique. With consistent use, skin can appear more supple around lines. The oil helps maintain the skin's moisture barrier, which naturally weakens with age. After 60, you make less natural oil. Skin starts to look creased and tired. Castor oil helps replace what time has taken away. Mix 1 drop of castor oil with 1 drop of vitamin E oil. Use your ring finger to gently tap this mixture around your eyes and mouth. Never pull or stretch the skin, just gentle tapping. The ring finger is the weakest, so you cannot press too hard. The tapping technique is crucial for delicate eye area skin. Start at the inner corner of your eye. Tap along the under eye area to the outer corner, then up along the crow's feet area. Count to 30 taps per eye. This gentle tapping also boosts circulation, which helps reduce puffiness. For mouth lines, tap along the laugh lines from nose to mouth corners, then around the lips. Always move upward, never down. Do this every night before bed. In the morning, your skin looks plumper. Fine lines appear softer. After 3 weeks, Martha's daughter asked if she had gotten Botox. She had not. It was just consistent use of this simple mixture. The biggest mistake is expecting overnight miracles. Wrinkles took years to form. They need time to soften. Be patient and consistent. Most women see real improvement after 1 month of nightly use. Problem number 4, skin tags. Skin tags are those little flaps of skin that appear on your neck, underarms, or eyelids. They are harmless but annoying. Many women spend hundreds getting them removed at the dermatologist. Some small tags may look drier and flatter with regular care. For removal or changing spots, see a clinician. The oil works by reducing moisture in the skin tag area. Without excess moisture, tags may appear less prominent. This takes time but costs almost nothing. Clean the area first. Put a tiny amount of castor oil on just the tag, not the skin around it. Cover with a small bandage. Do this twice daily. Change the bandage each time. Choosing the right bandage makes a difference. Use the smallest round bandages you can find, often called spot bandages. They stay on better and protect the area without irritating the surrounding skin. If the tag is in a spot that rubs against clothing, like the neck or underarm, the bandage also prevents friction that can make tags larger or more irritated. Most small tags may appear drier in 2 to 3 weeks. Larger ones take longer, maybe 6 weeks. They may darken first as they dry out. Never pull on them. This can cause bleeding and scarring. Stop using castor oil if the area gets red or irritated. Some people are sensitive. Always do a patch test first on your inner arm. Problem number 5, cracked heels. Cracked heels are painful and embarrassing. They catch on socks. They look terrible in sandals. Regular foot creams barely help because the skin on heels is so thick. Castor oil penetrates this thick skin better than most creams. It softens the hard, dead skin while healing the cracks from the inside. Before bed, soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes. Dry them well. Apply pure castor oil generously to your heels. Really massage it in for 2 minutes. Put on cotton socks immediately. Sleep with the socks on. The soaking step is more important than most people realize. Add a tablespoon of salt to the warm water. This helps soften the thick skin even more. While soaking, use a pumice stone gently on the hardest areas. Do not scrub too hard, or you can cause more cracks. After drying, wait 2 minutes before applying oil. This lets your feet cool down slightly, which helps the oil absorb better instead of just sitting on warm skin. If you do not have quality castor oil at home, I have included a trusted option from Amazon in the description below. Do this every night for 1 week. You will see dramatic improvement. The cracks start healing. The hard skin gets softer. After 2 weeks, your heels look completely different. Many women say this works better than expensive pedicures. The key is doing it every single night at first. Once your heels are smooth, you can maintain with twice-weekly treatments. Problem number 6, eczema patches. Susan, 66, had red, itchy patches on her inner elbows for years. Prescription creams helped temporarily but never solved the problem. The eczema always came back, especially in winter. As an occlusive layer, it can help calm the feel of dry, irritated patches. It creates a barrier that protects sensitive skin from irritants like soap, fabric, and dry air. For eczema, mix 2 drops of castor oil with a drop of coconut oil. This makes it lighter and easier to spread. Apply eczema patches twice daily, morning and night. Be very gentle. Do not scratch or rub hard. Timing your application around triggers helps enormously. Apply the oil mixture 30 minutes before showering to protect skin from hot water and soap. Reapply after patting dry. If wool or certain fabrics trigger your eczema, apply oil before getting dressed. This creates a protective layer between your skin and the irritating fabric. Keep a small container of the mixture in your purse for emergency applications when itching starts. Susan noticed less itching within 2 days. The redness started fading after a week. By week 3, the patches were barely visible. She could wear short sleeves without embarrassment. Winter is harder for eczema. Use the oil mixture more often when it is cold and dry. Some women need it 3 times daily in winter. Listen to your skin and adjust as needed. Problem number 7. Psoriasis. Flare-ups. Psoriasis is different from eczema. It causes thick, scaly patches that can be silver or white. These patches are stubborn and often come back in the same spots. Castor oil helps by softening the thick scales and reducing the tight, uncomfortable feeling. It cannot cure psoriasis, but it can make flare-ups more manageable and less noticeable. Apply pure castor oil to patches twice daily. Let it sit for 20 minutes before getting dressed. The oil needs time to penetrate the thick scales. Some women cover the area with plastic wrap to help absorption. The plastic wrap technique needs careful attention. Use kitchen plastic wrap, not tape or tight bandages. Wrap loosely enough for comfort, but snug enough to stay in place. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes maximum. Longer is not better and can irritate the skin. This technique works especially well for elbow and knee patches. For scalp psoriasis, apply oil before bed and cover your pillow with an old towel. Improvement is slow with psoriasis. It may take 6 to 8 weeks to see real change. The scales get softer first, then they start to thin out. Finally, the redness underneath improves. Be patient. Psoriasis is chronic and needs ongoing care. Many women find that regular castor oil use means fewer and milder flare-ups. Problem number 8. Dark under-eye circles. Dark circles make you look tired even after a good night's sleep. They age your face more than wrinkles. Most eye creams that promise to fix them cost a fortune and rarely work. These circles are often from thin skin showing blood vessels underneath. Used sparingly at night, it may help the under eye look less dry and puffy over time. Use just half a drop for both eyes. That is all you need. Tap it gently under your eyes with your ring finger. Never get it in your eyes. Apply at night only, as it is too heavy for daytime use. You might see puffiness reduce within days. The darkness takes longer, usually 3 to 4 weeks to improve. Take before photos in the same lighting to track progress. Some women are sensitive around the eyes. If you notice irritation, dilute the oil with more coconut oil or stop using it there. Problem number 9. Thinning eyebrows and lashes. Barbara, 68, had eyebrows that practically disappeared. Her eyelashes were so thin she gave up on mascara. She thought this was just part of aging until she tried castor oil. Castor oil can condition brows and lashes so they look glossier and fuller. It coats each hair, making them appear thicker. Many women swear by it for brows and lashes. Use a clean mascara wand or cotton swab. Dip it in castor oil and remove excess. You want just a coating, not dripping oil. Brush through eyebrows before bed. For lashes, apply like mascara but use less. The application tool makes a big difference in results. Old mascara wands work perfectly after thorough cleaning with soap and hot water. For precision, use a thin eyeliner brush for sparse areas. Apply in the direction of hair growth, not against it. For eyebrows, brush upward first, then smooth into place. This coats each hair completely. For lashes, wiggle the wand at the base, then sweep upward. This ensures oil reaches the roots where it matters most. Barbara saw her existing brows look fuller within 2 weeks. New growth appeared after 6 weeks. Her lashes looked thicker and stopped falling out as much. She started wearing mascara again. Consistency is everything. Use it every single night. Missing nights, slow progress. Most women need 8 to 12 weeks to see significant new growth. Problem number 10. Nail fungus. Nail fungus is embarrassing but very common after 60. It makes nails thick, yellow, and crumbly. Over-the-counter treatments rarely work completely. As part of routine care, it may support nail appearance. Stubborn cases need medical treatment. The oil can help keep the nail and surrounding skin in better condition during healing. File the affected nail surface gently to thin it. Apply castor oil to the entire nail and surrounding skin. Massage for 1 minute. Do this twice daily, morning and night. Toenail fungus is stubborn. It can take 3 to 6 months to see improvement because nails grow slowly. You will see new, healthy nail growing from the base. The infected part grows out gradually. Keep using the oil even after the nail looks clear. Fungus can return quickly if you stop too soon. Many women continue weekly treatments to prevent a return. Problem number 11. Rosacea redness. Rosacea causes redness and visible blood vessels on your cheeks and nose. It gets worse with age and can be triggered by many things. While castor oil cannot cure rosacea, it may help skin feel calmer during flare-ups. The oil helps maintain the skin barrier. This makes your skin less reactive to triggers like wind, heat, or spicy food. For rosacea, less is more. Mix 1 drop of castor oil with 2 drops of jojoba oil. This dilution is gentler for sensitive rosacea skin. Apply once daily at night. Start with every other night to test tolerance. Temperature testing prevents flare-ups. Before applying any oil to rosacea-prone skin, test the temperature on your wrist. Room temperature or slightly cool is best. Never apply cold oil straight from the refrigerator or warm oil that has been heated. Both temperature extremes can trigger redness. Store your oil mixture in a cool, dark place, but not the fridge. Some women keep it in their bedroom drawer rather than the bathroom, where the temperature fluctuates. Many women see less redness within 2 weeks. Flare-ups become milder and less frequent. The skin feels less sensitive and reactive overall. Always patch test first with rosacea. Some women find that oils make it worse. Stop immediately if you notice increased redness or burning. Problem number 12. Rough elbows and knees. Dorothy, 70, was embarrassed by her elbows. They were dark, rough, and looked like elephant skin. Her knees were just as bad. She tried every scrub and cream without success. These areas get rough because the skin there is thicker and has fewer oil glands. They need extra help to stay soft. Castor oil is thick enough to penetrate and moisturize this stubborn skin. Before bed, apply pure castor oil generously to elbows and knees. Really massage it in for 2 minutes in each area. Cover with old clothing or bandages. The oil will stain the sheets otherwise. Dorothy saw improvement in just 3 nights. The roughness softened. The dark color lightened. After 2 weeks, her elbows looked normal for the first time in years. For maintenance, do this treatment twice weekly. Your elbows and knees will stay soft and smooth. Many women say this works better than any expensive cream they have tried.